Hello friends, welcome here. And I have already, this is my sixth video. I have already told you the sounds, vowel sound. Those are a, I, u, e, o, and now this is and this is aha, aha. So again differentiated, this is and this is what is this is similar to and here this dot is we have keep here to change the sound. Okay, to change the symbol. Here one dot, here two dots beside here and here on the letters. Okay, so this is sound, and this is aha, and this is aha sound. Okay, so let's see how to write it. Okay, so we already know how to write it. A sound, and to make it we put this dot. Okay, so now this is and now we write aha. So this and to make it aha, here one dot and here one dot. Okay, so now this is aha. Okay, so these are all vowel sounds in Hindi, and I will explain you the matras. That means in next video. So what is matras, we will see in next video. Okay, actually these all sounds are used in between any words, so these vowels are not directly used as it represented here. Only if it comes in first position, then only it is used as it is, otherwise it is used as matras. Okay, so I will explain it in next video. Till now, thank you.